Welcome viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Yeah man, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in the Kingston area on Old Hope Road. You know, that's where you can find the American Embassy. So today we're gonna take a tour so you all can sit down and relax and tell me what you think about this tour, because a lot of people want to know how to get away from the American Embassy. So it's not gonna be a much talking video, but you can have an idea and see where from the American Embassy to in Clarendon. So sit down and enjoy the ride with Fire Reid, and big up on yourself and everyone I watch from. Always remember, if you learn something about our beautiful island Jamaica, always click the like button and share it to other people on the platform. And also, if you want to get more content, always click the all icons, so as soon as I upload a video you will be notified. As you know, them place here full of traffic. When not talk about American Embassy, that's where you're gonna see a lot of traffic, a lot of people on the roadside line up to get them visa. So enjoy it. Along the Old Hope Road, similar exclusive residential development took place. This depends on the improved transportation for linkage to city. Yeah man, so you don't know, say on Hope Road, you're going to find different turn off to different city in the Kingston area. So for instance, somebody is traveling from the Manchester area and want to reach to the American Embassy. Sometimes it's gonna be a lot of traffic. Real-time driving direction to Old Hope Road, Kingston, based on live traffic update and road condition. Sometimes the road condition can be very bad, and also the traffic in the area. So people leaving from those areas coming to the American Embassy, always remember traffic gonna be in this area, so you almost get up on time if you have an appointment, and leave out very early, because all depends on the live traffic that's gonna be in that area. So always try to be as early as possible. I know a lot of people want to get away from their hometown, so things they can do in Kingston, they can go to the Bob Marley Museum. Yeah man, we all need to check out the Bob Marley Museum. Bob Marley Museum final residence in Kingston at 56 Hope Road in Jamaica, National Heritage Site. So you all need to check out them places when you come to Kingston. Big up on yourself. Also the Devon House is also a historic site. So that's also, it's a big mansion. Yeah man, sit on the outskirts of Kingston. So we all need to come and take the view there. You know, so you can get a nice view from the Devon House area and also the Blue Mountain. If you want to hear some nice melody of some birds and see some nice plant and coffee plantation, we all need to check out the Blue Mountain area. And what about the great Emancipation Park? Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. And then we'll check down a Changetown Culture Yard. You know, so when you there, Jamaica is all about the real culture. So we need to check out the Changetown Culture Yard in Kingston area. Also the Jamaica National Gallery and the Holywell Park. So you all can Google it and have some idea what's the cost and what's the open hours. And also the Club Kingston Air Departure Lounge. And what about the Port Royal? Yeah man, the Port Royal. So yes, some people, as I say, Port Royal, I know a lot of people love them seafood. Also them rice and peas and chicken. Somewhere right there in Port Royal. So you all can go down there with your family members and enjoy the scenery of Port Royal. Yeah man, so when you come to Jamaica man, just tour the place, you know where to go, when to go. I know a lot of people travel to Kingston and them afraid to drive on the road because of how the people them drive. You know, Jamaican people kind of drive crazy. Yeah man, so you can leave in the comment section and what you think about Jamaican drivers also. So when you come out in the Kingston area or driving in Jamaica, just take your time and just stay on the lane, no make nobody pushing off of the road. Because once you can drive anywhere overseas, you can drive in Jamaica. But in Jamaica, you know, we have some very, very close road. Going to some areas, you know, we have some very, very narrow road. So you have to know how to navigate those roads. If you don't know an area and you first go into that area, all you need to do, take your time. Because a lot of people, when you come into Jamaica and try to drive, them always try to drive in a haste or speed. So just take your time and navigate the road properly. Just saying, if you know, say, you're going to an area today, leave out from early because you don't know the road condition. And it's the first time you're going to travel on that road. So just try to leave out very early. So right now, we're right in front of the American Embassy. This is where you're going to see all this crowd. So this is the American Embassy area. So wish them people there a luck today. Hope them get them visa because a lot of people want to travel to America. So wish them all the best today. And I know people want to see the other side of the world. And to me, Jamaica is also a beauty, natural beauty. So big up on yourself anywhere you watch from. Yeah, and abroad, we can big up on yourself. And always remember, as I said before, if you learn something about Jamaica on this channel, just kindly indicate where you're watching from and also press the like button free of cost. Let's go. I know all the people them from coming from the Manchester area, St. Elizabeth, can't wait for that highway to finish from Williamsfield to Maypen, so they're gonna have less traffic in that area. So big up to all of the people that work on the highway so them can finish up the highway there, so we can have less traffic to come into Kingston, because when traveling in the Manchester area, even Clarendon area, one place them call them porous. Porous, the road condition is very bad in porous. Also coming on to toll gate, there's some really, really bad road condition. So it's gonna be a good look from the highway from the Maypen area to Manchester. I know a lot of business in that area, you know, you have the Morris Jerk Center, also Fireside. I don't know if it's gonna be affected by the highway because you know they're gonna lose a lot of customer, because you know most people don't really want to go bypass the highway because you know people just want to get home. But you know people love them food as real Jamaican food, them jerk chicken and jerk pork. So people will bypass the highway just to get their chicken and their jerk pork at the Morris and also the Fireside restaurant. So leave in the comment section and tell me what you think if those places gonna be affected, alright? Yeah man, don't talk to me, I talk on the channel now. Talk to a tour guide, #1 tour guide also. Where exactly is Kingston? Kingston is the capital of the small Caribbean island of Jamaica, and it's also the home of its major port, lying at the foot of Blue Mountain of Jamaica, southeast coast. The capital is the home to almost 600,000 people with a total population of almost 3 million. So yes, my people, as you can see what take place, you can tell me if you see any changes in Jamaica. I know a lot of people them leave, go abroad from a long time. So tell me how the place look, what they can do to make this place look much better. If in your eyes, if it's very a clean place, because we all know we want to keep Jamaica clean. Yeah, it's just a positive vibes, you know. We know a lot of people are going to talk about, yeah, just want the crime to stop at Jamaica and everything. Yes, everybody want the crime to stop at Jamaica. But we just need to talk to them people out there. If them people don't realize what take place in Jamaica, the crime will never stop in Jamaica. So first of all, Jamaica is beautiful, Jamaica is nice. So just the people them, we are going them crime in Jamaica. So big up on yourself, people watching from overseas. I want to see this channel as a very interactive channel. You're learning something about Jamaica, so we're gonna be very positive today. When coming to Jamaica, plan your trip to Kingston. Yeah man, you need to plan your trip to Kingston. You know, a lot of people just get up so they might travel, but always try to plan your trip. Plan your visit to Kingston, Jamaica. Find out where to go and what to do in Kingston. So you just can go online and look where to go. You know, everything that's on YouTube, you can see where I go in Jamaica. So try your best to see if you can watch a few videos and have an understanding in the Kingston area. Yes, my beautiful people. Yeah man, yeah man. You must try Jamaican patties, jerk chicken and ackee and saltfish. Yeah man, where you gonna try that? Always check out the Truck Stop restaurant, which has the best Jamaican patties. Jamaican food can be spicy and it's dancing. Yeah man, know people love to dance, them Jamaica dancing. And this is one type of cuisine that will make you crave more. When you're visiting, make sure to get Jamaican patty from Devon House or Tasted Patty, jerk chicken pork from Truck Stop Grill and Bar, and ackee and saltfish. Yeah man, we know ackee and saltfish. You know how Jamaica can cook them ackee and saltfish from the Jamaican Pegasus during their Sunday brunch. Yeah man, 7 out of a Jamaica Pegasus. Remember, so if you go have no breakfast and enjoy the Jamaican saltfish and ackee. Yeah, me people. And I know a lot of people scared of walking in Kingston, but in my opinion, Kingston is not a walkable city. Yeah man, Kingston is not a walkable city. I don't recommend walking around street here unless you are very street smart. Yeah man, so as me say, you know what street smart mean in Jamaica, you have to know the street and you have to know the code in Jamaica. Because certain areas are still developing and safety can be questionable. Yeah, we know Jamaica still, people are questioning a lot, so safety is first. I always think about the safety when you come to Jamaica. Plus everything is spread out, making it much easier to take a car. Uber, yeah man, you know what's the Uber service in Jamaica too? It's available here in Jamaica, in Kingston. And I recommend you download it on your phone before arriving to Jamaica. So yes, my people, if you know you're in some area, always try to download the Uber app so we can pick you up and take you to your destination safe. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. You will learn a lot about a lot of things on this channel, my people. Also, yeah man, when we talk about the cell phone, then my people, we know say we are going to some areas, you're going to want some cell phone, you want some hotspots. So 3 ways to get your cell phone to work in Jamaica. If you are visiting Jamaica for a week or less, an easy option is to get a Wi-Fi hotspot. These little devices make it really easy to get fast data speed from anywhere. I recommend the Sky Roam. Yeah man, so you can check out the Sky Roam. Yeah man, you need to check out the Sky Room when you come to Jamaica. Another option is to get a local SIM card. It can be from the Digicel, also the Flow company. If you have a T-Mobile, it can get international data more than 70 countries around the world. This option is good, but the data speed will not be as fast as using a Wi-Fi hotspot. If you already had a T-Mobile people, yeah man, if you already have a T-Mobile, it's only cost like $5 to $10 to upgrade to the international plan. If you keep it monthly for temporary use is $25. The option and the cheapest would be to get a local SIM card. When you arrive through Digicel, it costs 150 Jamaican dollars or $1.18 US dollars for 150 megabyte data plan. Make sure that if you choose the option, your phone is unlocked, because a lot of people are come to Jamaica and them phone are unlocked, you know. So always make sure to check if your phone unlocked. Please and thanks. So check on the phone if it unlocked, because if you don't come here, you have to go buy a cell phone. Next, I know have a lot of people have challenges driving on the road coming from America. Yeah man, because you know in Jamaica we drive on the left side of the road, and you know in America they drive on the right side of the road, so that's gonna be a challenge. So yes, my people, so if you not come to Jamaica, you don't know what to do. As a former British colony, Jamaica follows the British style of driving on the left side of the road. This may make it challenging for the American drivers who are not used to this. An easy way to get around with people you wanna go there now. It is best you hire a local taxi driver that are not expensive, know the road well, and keep you having that laid back Jamaica chill. So your man, I say you gotta relax, enjoy the drive. Even you're gonna get a tour and know some different places, because I'm gonna tell you in some location, I'm gonna tell you where exactly at. So just hire one taxi driver so them can take you around, because you know driving in Jamaica for the first time on the left side of the road, it's not gonna be very easy. Yeah man.